Welcome to the world of algebraic fractions. Today, we are exploring rational expressions. At its core, a rational expression is simply a fraction, but instead of having just numbers, its numerator and denominator are both polynomials. You can think of it as a fancy fraction used in algebra. The main rule to remember is that the polynomial in the denominator cannot be equal to 0, because division by 0 is undefined. Before we can master rational expressions, let's quickly review their building blocks, polynomials. A polynomial is an expression made up of variables and coefficients. The exponents of the variables must be non-negative whole numbers. Polynomials can be as simple as a single term, like 5x squared, or have multiple terms, like x minus 7, or x squared plus 5x plus 6. These polynomials are what we use to build the tops and bottoms of our algebraic fractions. Let's clarify what is and what is not a rational expression. An expression like x plus 2 divided by x minus 5 is a perfect example, because both the top and bottom are polynomials. However, an expression with a square root of x, or one with a negative exponent like x to the power of negative 2, is not a rational expression. The key is that both the numerator and denominator must strictly be polynomials, which means no fractional or negative exponents are allowed. The most important skill you will learn is how to simplify a rational expression. The process is very similar to simplifying a regular fraction like 12/18. The first and most crucial step is to factor the polynomial in the numerator and the polynomial in the denominator. Once everything is factored, you can then cancel out any factors that are common to both the top and the bottom. This leaves you with the simplified form of the expression. Let's walk through an example. Imagine we have the expression x squared minus 4 divided by x squared plus x minus 6. The first step is to factor the numerator, which becomes x minus 2 times x plus 2. Next, we factor the denominator, which becomes x minus 2 times x plus 3. Now, we can see a common factor of x minus 2 on both the top and bottom. We cancel these factors out, leaving us with our final simplified answer, x plus 2 divided by x plus 3. Multiplying rational expressions is straightforward. You multiply the numerators together, and you multiply the denominators together. But here is a pro tip. It is much easier to factor everything first. Before you multiply, factor every numerator and every denominator. This allows you to cancel out common factors diagonally or vertically, which simplifies the problem immensely and prevents you from having to multiply large, complicated polynomials. Division is closely related to multiplication. To divide one rational expression by another, you follow a simple rule: multiply the first expression by the reciprocal of the second one. This is famously known as the keep, change, flip method. You keep the first fraction the same, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second fraction upside down. After that, the problem becomes a multiplication problem, and you can factor and cancel just like before. When you need to add or subtract rational expressions that have the same, or like, denominators, the process is simple. You just add or subtract the numerators and place the result over the common denominator. The denominator itself does not change. One word of caution: when subtracting, make sure you distribute the negative sign to every term in the second numerator. After combining the numerators, check if the resulting expression can be simplified further. The most challenging operation is adding or subtracting expressions with different, or unlike, denominators. To do this, you must first find a least common denominator, or LCD. The LCD is the smallest polynomial that is a multiple of both original denominators. You then rewrite each fraction so that it has the LCD as its new denominator. This involves multiplying the top and bottom of each fraction by the missing factors. Once the denominators are the same, you can add or subtract the numerators as usual. Let's quickly recap the main points. First, a rational expression is a fraction of two polynomials. Second, the golden rule for simplifying, multiplying, or dividing is to always factor first. Third, for division, use the keep, change, flip method. Fourth, for addition or subtraction, you absolutely need a common denominator. And finally, always be mindful that a rational expression is undefined if its denominator is 0. Keep these rules in mind, and you will be well on your way to mastering rational expressions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.